Hey guys, so this is pretty much what it's come down to. Sitting in the rain, um, drinking my French press that I just made. I would have showed you this lovely process in the rain. It was a challenge, and but I needed both hands for that, so I'll have to get it on a sunnier day, which won't be as challenging. But if you want to take a look out there, it's basically starting to flood, and the actual site is starting to flood as well. My water catchment is pretty much overflown. That's what I have that nozzle out the side for, to catch the overflow. And I'm just sitting here basically waiting on the deliveries for today. As soon as they get here, I'll probably put them right away underneath the big mango tree. Once everything is unloaded and under the mango tree, then I'll slowly start bringing it uphill, as probably don't want to keep, lots of lumber and building materials near the road, especially overnight. So basically that's the day I'm going to have today, is carrying this trekking it through the mud to up higher up onto the land, and then getting that completely covered and strapped down and held together. I'll probably lock the strap down just to make sure nobody gets any sticky fingers while I'm in town or something. Other than that, that should be it. As you can see, this trail that I have here basically goes through this water. It's going to come through here and then go right through the other side of that tractor there. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll check back in with you to let you know if I've made it or not. All right. I've been taking logs and trying to put them over the driveway to get at least a little bit of traction. The guy who delivered the water catchment just now actually got stuck a couple of times. So all of this water here is running down. You see it right there, running down, and it's collecting underneath these logs here, and actually flowing downward here, and then, not sure if you can see it, but it's forming a little river right back there. That muddy, steep hill, and then try to put it right where that black tarp is. So we will see. As you can tell, the rain is not letting up. It's actually getting harder and harder. So we'll see how this goes. I would set up a camera, but I don't have anything that's going to be... Oh, did it kill?